Hey guys, welcome back to another Avid Outdoors. Today we are here at my dugout. As you can see, we got the 12-foot aluminum.
10 foot.
10-foot aluminum.
Oh yeah, it's sketchier than you think.
Trolling motor and a battery. What we're doing with this is we're gonna see what propels the boat. We're gonna put it in with the trolling motor here first, get a rough time, you know, side of dugout to side of dugout, and then we got all sorts of goodies we're gonna throw on, and we're gonna make this a weekly edition. Try to make it a weekly edition for you guys. And then if you guys want to see something tested on this boat in the dugout to see if it propels a 10-foot aluminum boat with roughly 300 pounds of man in there, because, well, boy, if in his case, but either way, in the dugout, then you know if you have that in a boat sitting around, you can use it. But let's stop the chitter chatter. Let's get the GoPro on his face and let's get this going.
Yeah.
Ready?
I'm going.
Timer started. Boat there?
Yep.
Okay, so we got, after some complications, we got a minute, get that focused up there, a minute 3 from just a part on the dugout we decided to use here. He's gonna come back in and we'll get the first, what are we calling this? Propulsion of choice? Boat drive. We're gonna call it boat drive. We might come up with a better name, something a little more catchy, but we're gonna put on boat drive number 1. We'll bring you guys right back.
And this is boat drive number 1. A Yardworks leaf blower.
Rocket the Yardworks sideways. The 2-speed control. We got it on the marine battery, runs the boat motor in the boat, and we got a 1,000-watt power inverter.
And an 8-foot extension cord.
And an 8-foot extension cord.
And a shovel for a paddle.
Shovel for paddle. Shovel in there for paddle. That's a Mastercraft. And then he's got the trolling motor, just in case. All right, we're going live.
Ready.
Bye, Tanner. Good luck.
Bye, thanks.
Maybe put it in the water a bit more.
We got a fault.
Because you're spraying water everywhere?
She don't got enough juice.
Well, it's moving you. Or the wind is.
So's the wind. It draws too much power for the inverter to handle, taken out of the battery. So, give you a moment while I rig up the trolling motor.
Well guys, here we are with test try number 1. We have the trolling motor for backup, so Tanner doesn't have to row with the shovel all the way back because we're too lazy to get the paddles out of the boat. But he has a 1-inch pump. What brand is that pump?
It's a Mitsubishi.
We got a 1-inch
TL20
Mitsubishi engine. The blue hose, because I don't have any shorter one. Wrap it all the way around the boat to the other side, where Tanner holds on to it, right up there. The intake just comes up and dangles off in the middle of the boat. But let's kick them off into the water before the pump unprimes itself.
Okay. And
Sinking at least.
that's good. I'm just gonna back myself out here. Now fire up the pump. Trolling motor is off. Here goes nothing. direction I'm going, but I'm going somewhere. This water is frigid. We lost a strap. We're moving.
This is our little mini series. If you guys are interested to see, well, he makes his way back. If you guys are interested to see if something will propel our 10-foot aluminum boat out there, Tanner's sitting in with a 1-inch water pump. Let us know in the comments down below, and if I can or we can, we will rig it up. We will. We do have ideas for a 2-inch pump, a leaf blower right there, but the inverter doesn't have enough juice. And yeah, if you have any other ideas, let us know down below. We'll try to make it happen. Stay avid.